Gemini Image Editing, a guide with 10 practical examples. Learn how to edit image using Gemini 2.0 Flash with the practical examples and understand its strengths and limitations. Gemini 2.0 Flash now has the ability to generate and edit image directly in its chat interface. The interface is fully text based and does not require masking the image to specify which parts we want to modify. In this video, I will explain step by step how to edit images using Gemini 2.0 Flash and shows you through 10 practical examples how to achieve professional quality results without the need for extensive technical know-how. How to access Gemini image editing. To access Google image editing tools, we need to go the Google AI Studios. Here we can access the Gemini 2.0 Flash image generations experimental model, which is available for free. Note that this might become available in the main Gemini app in the future, but for now Google AI Studio is the only option. To get started, we select this model from the model drop-down located on the right-hand side of the UI. After selecting the model, we need to click on the Create Prompt button located on the left-hand side to begin a new conversation. We can use it for various image generation tasks. For example, we can create vibrant landscapes, modify existing image to add a creative twist, or generate entirely new visual elements for our projects. Here's an example. While Gemini 2.0 Flash is occupied with reduced capabilities for generating new images, in this video we will primarily focus on its image editing features. The goal is to explore how we can use the tool to refine and enhance existing visual. In my explorations of Gemini 2.0 Flash, tested the tool on 10 practical examples to access its capabilities, from transforming an ordinary photos into a professional CV headshots to creating eye-catching YouTube thumbnails. The goal was to understand the strengths and limitations of the model to better identify what it can be most useful for. Moving elements in photo. In this example, I explored how the model handles moving elements within the photos. These features can be especially handy when we want to reposition parts of an image to achieve better composition or adjust the focus. For instance, if we have a group photos where one person is slightly out of place, we can use this tool to shift them closer to the center.